Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna go over the John Deere Z740R zero turn. I'm telling you, this thing is pretty killer. Let's get after it. I'm very excited to bring this one to you. There is some things that I like about these high-end residential mowers. First and foremost, let me just tell you what I like the best about it. I can get on and off this thing with ease. And so with a commercial mower, when I started out, I had an M model, so I had a hand brake, and then I stepped up to an R model, I had a foot brake. This one is great because it's got the brake just integrated into it. So if you can imagine, I'm going along, I'm mowing, I need to stop, get off the machine, I click those out, the engine can stay going. So that is a really, really nice feature of the Z700 lineup. The Z7s, all of them are gonna have that feature where I just have the park brake integrated. It's a newer model for John Deere. It makes it so there is a lot of really nice design features that these things come with. You've got easy access to underneath, so I can grease my spindles, I can inspect my deck very simply. And then I also have a 3-position foot platform. So for users of different size, I can adjust the foot platform. Now you're gonna notice this is an R-spec model, so on that foot platform, I do have a nice, beautiful rubber floor mat, and I've got these foot pegs where I can pop up my feet and sit comfortably on there. Moving up into the seat, you're gonna see a 24-inch high back seat. This is gonna have marine grade cut and sew vinyl on it with that embroidered pattern of the John Deere symbol on the back. Front and center, you're gonna have this dial-in suspension seat. So I have the ability to dial it into my weight. And then I also have Comfort Glide where I can have that seat move forward and aft, and it isolates me a bit more from the ground. I can just, of course, adjust this seat forward and backwards, and then I can just kick it into that Comfort Glide feature. So, nice big open foot platform. I'm going to be able to adjust my deck with my legs, adjustment knob on the side that goes from 1.5 inches all the way up to 5 inches. Let's talk about the decks that I can get on here. I can get a 48-inch, a 54-inch, and a 60-inch deck on this one. They're gonna be the high capacity decks. They're gonna be the 9-gauge steel. Great design on the side. I've got easy access to my battery on this side, easy access to my fuel tank. My fuel tank is about 8 gallons in this unit, so I've got nice long run times. One thing is I have the sight line right here between my legs so that I can check my fuel level. So I do have a nice fuel level check right there on the side. My instrument panel on this side, it's nicely laid out. It's very easy to use. I do have a choke because this is a carbureted engine. And then I have my throttle engagement. And then of course I have my LED lights that I can turn on and off. Again, R-spec machine, you're gonna have LED lights on this unit that are gonna shine and cast lights out on the side. And then I have lights in the front as well. So I'll be able to mow during those low light hours. I've got my PTO switch, and then of course I've got my hour meter so I can keep track of my maintenance on this as well. All right, so while we're out here at the back of the machine, let's talk about the power plant. So this power plant is a 23.5 horsepower Kawasaki engine. Again, I said it was carbureted earlier. It is a carbureted engine, but it does have the nice convenience feature of this commercial filtration system. So this one is straddling the line of commercial. You've got that commercial filtration system that we've come to love on our commercial units, trickles down into both the Z740R and the Z760R. So I can get that commercial filtration on either one of those machines. Definitely a nice open compartment, easy access to all of my oil filters, air filters. I can drain my oil very simply. It's just got really nice, convenient, easy access to the engine. That is something that I just love about zero turns. All of our zero turns just easy to get into. It's got nice cladding around the back side of the engine, and then back behind I do have a nice tow hitch receiver platform where I can just plug in and I can tow carts, I can do other things like that. So it is nice that it comes with that. Again, R-spec machine, you're gonna expect nice stuff out of it. Some things that you can't see very easily from your driver's compartment, I do have a 12-volt charger on the side, so I do have the ability to charge phones, that kind of thing, which is really nice. And then, of course, just because I don't sell a mower without one, I do have a nice cup holder on the side of this unit. You do have rollover protection system. This in conjunction with the seatbelt are gonna offer you nice, wonderful protection. And then I have the ability to adjust this to different positions. So if I like to have it down a little bit lower, I have the ability to do that. The other nice things that I have on this machine, I've got easy access to underneath the seat. And then Of course, this one is gonna have that dial-in suspension system, so you're not gonna get those springs that you're normally used to on these ones. So this one's gonna come with that dial-in suspension, which is just a bit nicer and a little bit more premium, isolating you from those bumps. So let's talk about what's driving this unit. So I've got 2 transaxles underneath here. Again, that's one of the reasons you're gonna see a little bit of a cost jump compared to a conventional mower, is because you have 2 hydrostatic transmissions running independently. But both of those working together are gonna give you a 10-mile-an-hour traveling and mowing speed, which is great. Again, the nice thing about zero turns is it's just a solid, fast platform where if I'm just trying to get my lawn mowed as fast as humanly possible, there's not going to be any more efficient way to do it. So zero turn is the way to go. Outfitted to this zero turn is something that is a John Deere exclusive. I have the Michelin X wheel outfitted to this one. It is an optional item. Those X wheels are going to give you a bit more traction, which is something that, you know, zero turns in general have a challenge with. So that bigger contact patch is going to give you just a bit more traction, a little bit more side hill capability. One of the disadvantages is that I cannot put a bagging system back here. Why is that? Those are weight specific. So if I'm putting a bagging system on the back, those X wheels are weight specific to the machine and to how it's outfitted. And so they recommend that you go with the pneumatic tire if you're looking to put a bagging system on this. Now, there is other options. I've personally had an accelerator catch bag on mine on the side. That's not going to add a lot of additional weight. So you can still bag, definitely can add the mulch kits to these with the X wheels. There's just, you got to talk to your dealership, talk to your salesperson, and they can work around those issues if this is something that you're looking for. There is a pretty decent premium on these, but I will tell you those benefits definitely outweigh the negatives on those as far as cost goes. This thing adds a nice second layer of suspension as well. They do a very nice job of isolating you from bumps. That's nice because they're paired in front with another non-pneumatic tire. So that front tire is a non-pneumatic as well. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this brief overview of the John Deere Z740R zero turn. This thing is a premium offering from our John Deere lineup. This is why you go to John Deere. You go because there's these benchmark machines, and this one is one of those high caliber benchmark machines. If you like this content, please like and subscribe to our channel. We love building that community on our Papé Toolkit site. Love to have you watch some more of our videos and contents. We've got a very big library that's growing every single day. See you again on the next Papé Toolkit. Hi, my name is Jason Hughes. I'm a territory manager out of Eugene, Oregon. I'm also a large property owner and own a lot of the equipment that you see featured in these videos. I hope you find this content helpful. If you have any questions, please comment below.